Good morning, kindergartners. Today, we are going to look at a composition that you're going to do with the words apple and milk. And what's going to happen is you're going to go to this slideshow. This is the first page, and it's going to ask you to say the words apple and milk and count the number of times your chin comes down. And what I want you to do is put your finger on your chin to count. So you'll say apple and then milk. And you're just going to count. And then you're going to write your answers in these text boxes. So if you click 2 times on this box, you can write in there. So the red box is to count the number of times your chin comes down when you say apple. And the blue box is to count the number of times your chin comes down when you say the word milk. Then you're going to go to this slide. This is the fun slide. You get to click on these and you're going to move them up here. So you can choose whatever pattern you want. You only have 4 spaces. So you are going to choose either apple or milk to go in those 4 spots. Here's the one that I did. You do not need to write the words below, but here's what I did. So I would say apple, apple, milk, milk. And that's my whole composition. Now notice that I have 4 things left over because there were 8 things to start out with and I used 4. So when I practice saying it, I'll go apple, apple, milk, milk. So that's what's going to happen. Next week, we are going to put the music notes beneath them. So I want you to be thinking about how many notes you're going to need for each word. And the number of notes will depend on how many sounds that word has. It's either going to be 1 or 2. You're going to go back to this slide and practice saying and clapping your song. So whatever order you put these in, I want you to just practice saying and clapping that. And the next week, we're going to finish this up by writing it with music notes.